Hello Traceable Designers. Today I'll show you how to trace the contour arched TraceShaper. You should have already followed the fabric squaring and rod pocket marking video, and you should have completely prepared your fabric with backing, lining, and a rod pocket. So follow the fabric prep before tracing video if not. In this video we are going to be making an adjustment to the center arched. So here I have my prepared fabric section with my rod pocket lined up. Make sure it's perfectly straight and even on the sides and across the top, and then pin that to hold that for tracing. My valance width, my full rod span, is 52 inch or 51 inches, so I'm going to use a 52 inch mark. I'm adding that extra inch for my width, and then I'm marking my half rod size marker. So this is 50% of my width because I'm using a folded fabric section. So since my window's kind of small, I will not be adding any extra to the side for my rod return. I'm just going to trace the form as is. So I am positioning the right edge of the form at my marks. Make sure that the proper rod pocket top edge alignment is positioned properly for your selected depth. I'm marking my tick mark where I'm going to reduce my inner arch area, and I'm just tracing straight down the right side of the panel. This represents the outer edge that will wrap around the return. Then just trace the under section and follow the form around your arch, and then I'm going to stop at my tick mark. Now when I flip my form, I need to make sure that it's perfectly even. So I'm flipping the form, making sure that the same tick mark is aligned with the right side, so the left side is even, and then make sure that you realign your rod pocket depth line across the top of your fabric so it's nice and straight. Then you can finish tracing the inner arch area and around your form and underneath to the fold. So after you complete your tracing, just follow that traced line to cut out your valance. Make sure it's very straight on the sides. When you cut around your curves, really follow the trace line to get a nice crisp edge, and make sure that your arch is very smooth. You want to make sure that's completely even around each arch. Since you're cutting through 2 layers, make sure you hold the fabric, press it down to make sure it stays nice and straight. Here you can see that I have 2 beautiful arches and a very straight center. You're going to make sure you follow your dry fit instructions now before adding your edge trim. You want to make sure that when the valance is hung and the sides butt up against the wall, there is no buckling. You can do different adjustments for this valance. You can make a full arch or reduced arch, which we just did. It changes the look. You can also do a combination of full and reduced arch to fit your window. You also have the ability to adjust the center span to wide or more narrow. And then make sure to follow the sizing instructions so that your side sections are balanced with your center section. Traceable Designer is powered by TraceFit, a patented slide and trace system for making custom valances with ease.